Are you looking for the best jigsaws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best jigsaws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the BOSCH JS470E 120V 7.0 amp corded top handle jigsaw. Smooth cutting, more powerful than the others, and well built are all qualities that come to mind with this jigsaw. It really was the best of those we tried out by a wide margin. The orbital settings and speed controls are both in great places, allowing for easy adjustment on the fly, and the 7-amp motor did better in metal than any of the others we used. The super wide range and the speed control was also nice and makes this an excellent jigsaw for those who are planning on cutting a wide variety of materials. BOSCH JS470E 70 amp corded top handle jigsaw 3. It functioned well in both the pattern and straight cut tests as well, with the puzzle pieces needing virtually no finishing when cut. The handle is well done, allowing for an easy grip and the ability to maintain constant pressure as well. The advanced circuitry was also nice, and not something you find on just every jigsaw. It functions by keeping the saw's strokes per minute at a constant rate, rather than making you guess while you're applying pressure to the saw. It does lack some extras like a laser guide, but we feel that's a small price to pay. Up next in the 4th place is the DEWALT DW317 Variable Speed Orbital Jigsaw. If the above BOSCH seems to be out of your league in price, then you'll be quite pleased with this option from DEWALT. It has all of the great features we expect in a modern jigsaw and maintains smooth cutting ability. The only real problem was that we tested it after the BOSCH, so it felt a little bit underpowered in comparison since the motor sits at only 5.5 amps. The orbital action really eats at wood, and the weight of the tool makes it fantastic for straight cuts. DEWALT DW317 Variable Speed Orbital Jigsaw 8. It also had the easiest blade change of all those we tested, which is great if you're planning on cutting multiple materials in a single workshop session. The whole thing feels solid and there was absolutely no play in the blade. The price is definitely right. It's not a budget saw by any means, but it's likely to prove its worth over the span of a long life. Indeed, it may be a better job site saw for those who use jigsaws than even the BOSCH. It's built tough. The 3rd product on our list is the DEWALT 20V MAX XR Jig Saw. If you're looking to get uncorded with your jigsaw, DEWALT offers this excellent saw, comparable in power to the plug-in saws we tested, while having all of the features expected of a modern jigsaw made it a fast favorite. The only reason it wasn't our top pick was because of the high price. If you already have a DEWALT battery or two lying around, however, the quality of the tool makes it a steal. Just make sure you have them, as the tool is sold bare by DEWALT, meaning you'll have to pick up a 20V battery to go with it, which is, well, it's pretty expensive. That said, apart from the fact that the battery runs out, you'd never suspect this saw was cordless. It's powerful, smooth, and a bit heavy once the battery is inserted, which helps to maintain lines with your jigsaw. Apart from the cost, its only real weakness is that it's battery powered, which means you may have to stop in the middle of a job and charge the battery if you don't have another one on hand. Second on our list is the BOSCH JS470EB Corded Barrel Grip Jigsaw. This is the exact same as our favorite, but the external configuration is different. We're not big on barrel handles, finding them to be a bit more cumbersome for fine cutting. But if you're planning on using your jigsaw for straight cuts primarily, it's a good option. BOSCH JS470EB Barrel Grip Jigsaw 4. Like our favorite, there's a lot to be recommended here. It's extremely powerful, smooth, easy to control, and has a build quality best described as absolutely exceptional. The biggest difference is in the handle. Barrel handles allow for easy movement in a straight line, but we found them cumbersome for more complex cutting. Finally, the top product on our list is the Porter Cable Orbital Jig Saw. If you're looking to get the most value for your money, then you'll be quite pleased with the PCE 345. It's a powerful jigsaw with great orbital settings and awesome construction, but it doesn't quite compare to the BOSCH or DEWALT options that topped our list. Overall, it's a solid saw. The biggest problem we had was the fact that it has 7 speed settings instead of a smooth variable controller, which can be a pain with specialty materials but won't affect most people's usage. The motor is quite powerful, but keep in mind there's no control circuitry for constant speed with this one. You'll have to adjust for the load depending on the material that you're cutting. Most people are used to compensating for this anyway, but if you've only used advanced saws before, it can be a pain. It also vibrated fairly heavily compared to the more expensive and heavier saws. It's not a cheap piece that'll ruin your work, but keep a set of wood or metal files handy for finishing edges after you've made the cut. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.